Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Havells FD5000 facial hair remover. This is a transparent case. You can see what this particular hair remover looks like. It has a lot of other information. This comes with AA batteries included and also has a rotary shaver. And over here it's written for clean and smooth touch. This is primarily aimed for women. Over here we have some more information. This is rated voltage of 1.5 volts and rated power is 1.65 watts. And that's more or less it. It contains one shaver and one AAA battery along with an instruction manual. I'm going to open this pack and show you what's inside. So these are the contents of the pack. First off, we have an operating instructions and guarantee card from Havells. There you go. It's for the FD5000 series of facial hair remover. It's written over here. And inside it has all the detailed instructions like the mirror, blade cover, blade, rotary head, main body, etc. Then I'm going to leave this here. This is the AA battery in question. So this is what you attach to make this thing work. And this is the hair remover in question. There's a cover that comes in. There's the rotary head. And you twist it like so to open it. And there you can see this is what the motor looks like. I'll put it back on. I'll insert the battery and show you if it works. Let's just see where that entry is. So there's some marks over here, so I guess this is how you open it. I just want to mention that this particular side has this matte pink finish. It's a matte finish, has this hot pink color on it as well. And you will notice the Havells logo over here as well. Over here it's written that this particular body has a 1.65 watt motor in it. I'm going to open it now. So yeah, just twist and pull, and there you are. When you want to lock it, you just twist the other side and you've locked it. So you open it like so, and this is where the battery goes in. I'm going to put the battery in. Over here it's shown how the battery should be going in. There you can see. I'll give you a closer look. There you can see it. Yeah, it's a little obscured because of the color, but now we just put the battery inside. There, the battery is inside now. Yeah, I guess this is how it's supposed to be. I'll close it now. Alright, so these markers, so the one at the center is the off button. If you twist this side, this is how you open it. And now it's locked, and you twisted this side, you started the hair remover. It's rotating now, you can hear it as well. And that's it, you have now switched it off. And there's a cover which you can, the cover is basically to protect the rotary blades on top. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Havells facial hair remover. The model number is FD5000. Thank you for watching.